It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm back with another unboxing. Today I have the Ninja Slushi Professional Frozen Drink Maker. It has an 88-ounce vessel, which makes 7+ servings per batch. No ice, no blending, no dilution. One-touch frozen drinks. You can make a slush, a spiked slush, frappe, milkshake, or frozen juice. It keeps your drinks frozen for up to 12 hours without no dilution. It has 5 preset settings plus temp control, so it delivers smooth, consistent results. It also has a rinse cycle, easy to clean with dishwasher safe parts. So it says Ninja Slushi versus a blender. You have smoother sipping, frozen drinks without the crunch. It has rapid chill technology. Liquid is rotated 360 degrees around the chilling cylinder to maintain the ideal temperature and texture. Just one pour, it turns almost any beverage into a frozen treat. And slush, chilling begins instantly. And enjoy liquid to slush within 15 to 60 minutes. Okay guys, so it says no watered down drinks. Enjoy full strength, full flavor drinks that aren't watered down. Stays frozen longer. Frozen drinks stay ready up to 12 hours and melt slower in your glass. And it has a smooth texture. Enjoy a smoother, more consistent drink texture versus using a blender. So it has an easy fill vessel, easy fill up, top off, and removal for cleaning. It has a comfort handle, ergonomically designed handle, and no drip, no mess pour spout. It has an 88-ounce capacity with a clear vessel so you can watch your slush transform. Versatility, fits an average 7.5 margarita glass, has a drip tray, removable and dishwasher safe. Whisper chill compressor, quietly keeps your Ninja Slushi treats at the perfect temperature and texture without disturbing the fun. Here you have your 5 preset settings to your left, and on the right side you have temperature control. It lets you customize the result to be thicker and spoonable or thinner and sippable. This also comes with a recipe book with 10 recipes. Okay guys, now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, so here is the slushy maker. This is the front. It comes with your instructions and also a recipe book. And here is the drip tray. As you can see on the front, you have the preset settings, the slush, spiked slush, frappe, milkshake, frozen juice, also the rinse. And on the right hand side you have your temperature control. And then I guess you can scan this. It says for the best slush scan below to get started. And here is the handle. Okay guys, so this is the side of the machine, and here it says before plugging in, keep upright for 2 hours. Unit must be level before first use, indoor use only. And here are some instructions. As low sugar alert, descending temperature control, and preset LEDs flash, unit beeps twice. And it tells you how to fix it. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or juice per 8 ounces. Press preset twice. Then for the high alcohol, high sugar alert, ascending temperature control, and preset LEDs flash, unit beeps twice, and it tells you how to fix that also. Dilute with 1/4 cup of water per 8 ounces. Press preset twice. And here is the clear vessel. This is what you're going to be putting your juice or whatever drink of your choice in. You just lift it up right here and you'll be putting it straight into there. This is what the back of the machine looks like. Okay, so this is the other side, and it has a sticker here that says Slush, designed for transforming your everyday beverages. Spike Slush, designed for beverages with alcohol content. Frozen Juice, designed for naturally sweetened beverages. Frappe, designed for coffee shop lovers to make frozen treats. And also your milkshake, designed for dairy and creamer-based beverages. They also have a note for best results with frappe and milkshake presets. Add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream per 16 ounces of prepared drink. Okay guys, at the top of the machine, it says pull bell handle to disassemble, push back to assemble and lock in place. Ensure vessel is empty. Clean all parts before first use. So all you're going to do is take the handle and pull it all the way back until it unclicks. Handle is pulled all the way back. All you do is pull out the vessel and that's it. And when you want to put it back, you push it back in and you push the handle back down and it clicks it right into place. Okay guys, so here is the drip tray, and this is what you will sit your drink on, and it snaps right into place. Guys, this is the recipe booklet that comes with it, and you have 10 recipes inside. It also comes with a quick start guide, also your safety instructions, and also this for frozen drink tips and tricks. It has instructions on what you can do. So guys, I'm looking forward to using this. So I hope you come back, because I would definitely have another video showing you how this machine works and giving you my full review on it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?